Good morning, chat. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Focus a little bit. Okay, good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so wow, beautiful Goldie. Amazing move yesterday. Could you have taken it? You'd have had to have gone break even before the news, but I think Don did that, and I think he would have stayed in. So depending on if you got on the flip or not, might have been able to have stayed in there, but this is the main objective there. Where the target really have been, 2,000 would have been the nice level. Just a solid closure above. I was doing my simulation at the time, but good stuff. We pushed up. Now we've made the zone, we made a range. This is good. I like it when we do this because when we break the lows, you do get a couple pips coming back down, which is great. Obviously, in terms of the daily time frame, looking very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go and analyze this in a second. But yeah, we'll have to see. I know it was wild, wasn't it? I saw John Wick yesterday. Wow, it was a good movie. Like the John Wick 4 was pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty dope. Man, the amount of action in it, holy shit. It was sick. John Wick 4 will be it's pretty damn sick. Good morning. How are you doing, YouTube chat? Hope you're doing well. Hope you did well yesterday. Hope you didn't get too caught in the gold trades before the rally, because you did range quite hard here. It wasn't the nicest. Yeah, it wasn't the nicest. Sick, bro. Yeah, I mean, what else could you take in the gold buys? Maybe that closure above on the 15-minute 215. So there's some little options. But yeah, first,
did you see Dun's trade?
Yeah, man. Yeah, he got him just break even. That was sick. That from the news.
Yeah, man.
It's quite a good idea, to be fair.
Yeah, man. The fuck he didn't get stopped out. He has like 3 pips in profit.
Yeah, that was mad. Okay, so let's get into this, right? So daily time frames closed bullish above. We look to the left hand side. What have we got? Well, we've got a clean candle really to 2050. So that's where I do expect this week to get to be honest with you. And with the volume we had yesterday, it won't be too long, I don't think, until we get there, okay? So the daily over here is bullish already made a little low wick, flipped, hasn't broke the high yet. 4-hour time frame, the last one has closed bullish above, okay? So still looking obviously very bullish. Huge amounts of volume through that push. Obviously here now we do have a certain support and resistance, so the support level is here. If we do like reject the highs a couple times, you know, sells below 2015 would be actually reasonable to continue and get some pips. Do I think it's going to retrace the whole way? Well, probably not because of how bullish we were, but we can get something out of it. And then the buy future. In terms of that, yeah, so let me just mark on potential sells below. So there we go. Obviously, in terms of buys, what do we have here? Well, obviously, we've got a resistance at 2024. If we scroll all the way to the other side, if we can, do the hourly here. Yeah, this happened last March. Interesting. It happened at the same time. If we do get a closure above, yeah, I mean, look at that. We've got clean candles all the way up to realistically 2041. And even at 2069, but if you look at this, these are the candles that I kind of want to mirror right there. Just 2042, that would be pretty good. Back down to the back up to there, that would be very nice. So then there we go, we've got our targets, we've got our levels that we kind of want to break above. Closure above there would be great success. So looking here, go down to 30 minutes. So yeah, I mean, a potential just closure above would be sufficient, I think, over here with such strong candles, with such strong volume. From the previous day, we should realistically still continue. 4.7.
If we do end up reaching those highs, we could get like an insane rejection. I mean, the all-time highs. Look at the way we rejected.
Yeah, we rejected pretty hard, eh?
Yeah, it dropped like 300 pips in a little bit.
Yeah, so I think that'll be what we can look for in Goldie. That'll be nice. Let's take a look at people's gold charts in the chat. Do you guys have the same? Okay, not focusing on buys as prices already entered extreme highs yesterday. The only range that could form was on the daily time frame, and price would have to retrace for a bit before it builds momentum to break the highs in this range. Only looking for sells now. Okay, that's fair. Fair. So you just think this may be a bit overextended? I do think the zone above is decent enough, and especially how we're relaxing already through this Asian session. I do think if you get some more volume, we should be good there. So. Yeah, very, very good. Yeah, that's what the higher time frame looks like. Good stuff, good stuff. Very, very nice. Let's take a look here. Buys above, sells below, sells below. Yeah, that would be quite nice actually for sells below 2002. Very, very good. Very simple, the Goldie trades, but looking like everyone's taking this kind of approach, you know. Beautiful. Sells below 2015, buys above 2025. Case shortening maybe a little bit higher up. Beautiful, beautiful work. Very, very nice, guys. Everyone has got that right. Great job, great job. Anyone looking at GJ? Yeah, I'll take a look at GJ now. I think we will make a higher all-time high. Yes. It looks like it. So let's take a look then at GJ. GJ rejected so hard. I wanted a support form in here, but my God, we just retraced the whole move. Goldie was really pushing it back down. And now we're back into this zone. The daily time frame did close bullish above with a massive rejection wick. Already broken the low of the previous. Okay, the 4-hour time frame over here is bearish right now. Looking like there's a lot of traffic on the higher time frames. You know, big levels of support. Not very easy to take some trades in that area at the moment. So drop down to the low time and see what we could potentially do. I mean, you know, what can we do on this daily time frame? Yeah, it's a bit choppy here in terms of overall direction for the higher time frames. So that's fine, but I'd want to find a little bit more, I think. Gold in 9 minutes. Oh, for closure above, yeah. Potentially. So let's take a look here then, so on the hourly. Obviously, we're coming towards hourly support, which is down here. A lot of traffic down even further to 163.895. There. We've also got a support of 163,500. Move this along. Where could you potentially take trades? Well, I mean, no, below 163,800. It's not too bad. Maybe a little bit further below. Yeah, like there. Because you push up quickly there, up, down quickly there, up quickly there. This gapped. We're still pushed down over here. Asian session range. So yeah, I mean, you may be able to take sells in this area down here. To continue to fill that zone. That zone's big enough, right? It's 30 pips, so that could be good. Obviously, for like 10th day in a row, sells below this level here. There we go. Beautiful stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're working with. Obviously, buys would be back above 165. 165. 274. Good stuff. So we've got 5 minutes left for Goldie. Love your work, man. Thank you very much, Mohammed. So yeah, kind of ready for the morning. We'll take a look at EJ as well in a second, but yeah, man, John Wick is good. I highly recommend it. I think it was sick. I think though, if you haven't seen the other ones, I would go and see the other ones. I think it would probably help a little bit because I got lost a couple times. Lost a little bit. Oh gosh, I need to go get myself a cup of tea or a coffee. So yeah, we'll see how this closes. Is this going to be an hourly closure as well? Yeah, it is. Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a nice stop as well, isn't it? Yeah, that could be good. That could be good. Let's write. Three minutes left. So we can't really see much left inside in the 30 minutes. You can see the hourlies, so just base it off that. GJ going pullback. GJ's just in this little range over here. Little consolidation.
I would love a gold fake out.
Yeah, you could do. That'd be nice.
Big range as well.
Yeah, that's true actually.
How big is that range?
80 pips.
Uh-huh.
80 pip range.
Yes, Steve.
Yeah, interesting. 20 pip stop loss. And Goldie, it depends how this closes. I really want this to close a little bit stronger than what it is right now. It needs to close like above. So it'd be like a 27 pip stop or something. what it would be. Want to actually be well. I hope everyone is well. I hope you two are good, Ollie boy. Hope you're good too. Yeah, so yeah, I need this to close a little bit stronger above. Just before we've had kind of choppy candles, this is the first bullish candle to be here. So I mean, what you could do is wait for another closure, because I don't think we're going to close as strong as I'd want. 8, 9. Ooh, closure for the 1 hour, yeah. Looking like it's retracing a little bit at the moment. Still very early on, so a lot of time for some closures over here. EJ, I'm not going to change it too much from yesterday because it's pretty obvious. Just the daily flip on your move, 4 hour. So yeah, sells below. There. Okay, so yeah, it hasn't closed above for me. I know the 30 has, but you know, there's a lot of rejection there. I want a stronger closure above. Yes. So yeah, in terms of EJ, as I say, it sells below here. Very good. So yeah, respecting this 50-minute res, 30-minute res, you can see, you know, I wanted a closure above all of this zone because we've rejected here before. Okay. We can wait for a 15 close. Yeah, could do 15 close and then maybe a little bit of a lower wick. That would be great. Get rid of that. So yeah, in terms of where I'd want to take anything really, maybe buys above there, but realistically I want the sells. Yeah, hopefully to get the GJ sells today as well. Potentially. I've heard this one as well. What is your gold spread right now? I'm 3 pips. Ooh. Mine's 1.2 pips. GJ is very tight at the moment. 0.6. 0.6. Yeah, pretty good in terms of spread still. Like a gold, it's like a Bitcoin still coming up. Is Doge still running? I have to see. So yeah, this is our morning going to be looking like. Look for gold buys, potentially GJ sells. Edit your trades called. Oh yeah, I need to do a break. You need to put the break even on. Shit. Okay, guys, gonna quickly go make a coffee. But yeah, we've got like 30 minutes for this gold to close above. If not, we could wait for a 30 as well. So yeah, be 2 minutes, guys. Okay, so I have no bloody milk in. No. Okay. What do we have for the wow, yeah, mortgage rates. Imports, exports, balance. Wow, yeah, we've got a lot of stuff over here. Why are you not fasting, my friend? I am not Muslim. Yeah, there's quite a lot on. Oh, we got ADP today as well. Fucking hell, yeah. ADP later on. A lot of Euro news this morning. So wild. So yeah, still waiting for my first little trade really here. Yesterday was fun. How are they trying to take Trump down? Yeah, well, to be fair, it looks like he bribed some lass for his election thing to keep quiet. It's not the best. It's not the best thing to do, I don't think.
He's facing 136 years?
Huh?
He's facing 136 years.
Really?
Yeah.
God.
And his attorney did something so he didn't have to take a mugshot. That would be like the first president to ever get his mugshot taken.
That's sick. Peter after doing the... Yeah. Cool. Peter after doing the... Nah, I don't think it was paying her to keep quiet, I think, for his election thing. Yeah. Which is pretty mad. Brother, how are you going to deal with the Euro news? I am going to leave EJ alone. It looks like this Euro news already came out for one of them. German factory orders. Wow, look at that. That's interesting. Changing the total value of new purchase orders placed. 4.8%. That's a fucking massive jump. Interesting. That is a huge jump up. Yeah, so it is a very, very big resistance here. So you got to say to yourself, no, do you want to wait for maybe a stronger 30-minute closure above and not get faked out on the 15? Something that I may look into, depending on this closure. Gold sell now, guys. But you just affected GBP as well, so what about the news? Well, it doesn't really. Only one you got to work out for GJ is 930. We should be fine. So yeah, we did a simulation yesterday. If you guys want a hard simulation and one that you might get caught out on, I'd advise doing August for both GJ and gold. Okay, these are the trades taken. Let me actually calculate this. See if I actually made anything that month. I don't think I did, because GJ was fucking awful, and gold range for, well, it didn't range actually, had an absolute boatload of volume, just no direction. Volume news came out and it just flew one way. Let me just do this. Oh, didn't mean to do that. 48 times 0.8 plus 64 times 0.2. 51.2. Oh, we made 1.41. Great stuff. Great success. 3 wins, 4 losses. The losses are managed, but yeah, GJ was hard. So yeah, I'd advise going back August 2021, go have a look at that month and see how you deal with it. Because those are the months where, if you're trying to be impulsive on a good month, and you do it in a month like that, you will lose a lot of money. And that's what you kind of want to avoid. Yes, it seems painful. Yeah, bro, it was really, really hard, wasn't it? You've got to be able to identify that. July wasn't the best either. June was good. May was good. April was good. Yeah, so it's just July and August there were a little bit harder. Because that's something that's what happens, man. You make the strategy and you've backtested it like in recent times, but when a hard month comes and price gets hard, god dang. Oh my god. Trading guru. Yeah, with that 50-minute closure, I think I may have I've tried to have got in, to be honest with you, but I was doing the sim at the time, which sucks. I think it was worth it, just because of how strong the closure was, how big the zone is above. Doo -doo. 172 people in here already this morning. Hope you're doing well, guys. Yeah, I put that poll on my Instagram, and it says 40% of people got clapped, took an L on gold yesterday. So it's a big percentage, you know. I see Raja is in Mecca. Wow, looks sick. Looks sick, man. I'm gonna look how many people are there as well, man. How many people actually in there a day? What's the actual like figure? I wonder. So, yeah, 3 minutes left for this closure. It's a hard one. I want quite a strong closure here. I think there's a possibility of maybe a little fake out as well. So we'll see on the closure. How could you get clapped though? Well, just taking a file on gold yesterday in that range. Yesterday, if you trade gold there after I took my trade and got break even, this zone was nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Yeah, it was pretty bad. So yeah, hopefully we can get these GJ cells, as long as you break them little zones. That would be great. In terms of overall direction, though, we are still above that zone. So, how's the wiki doing? Wiki is bearish. Yeah, just right at these levels of traffic. %. Yeah, yesterday you could have easily got emotional with the gold. Like, imagine trying to take buys all the more and all here, then getting slapped, and then they finally work out as well. You'd be pissed. So you gotta just be really, really consistent with it and not emotional. Gold rejected hard, yeah. So that's my only little worry. I need a strong 30 closure, I think. I think that would be the only reason I'd want to get in. A strong closure. Just down here. There you go. Strong 50 minute would work too, but it's not happening. Yep. Yep, look like it's not happening. What up, Max Bree? What's up from Canada? Oh, Canada. Canada. Manchester United is the best team. Oh, I don't know about that. They just got their ass beat. They just got their ass beat by my team. I think Newcastle are playing tonight as well, which is good. Did anyone watch the games last night? I think they were all right. Leeds, I really want Leeds to stay up as well. Leeds are 13th. But look at this, right? Look at the points in the bottom half. Like, look how close they are together. Like, literally everyone is still in the race till there. Like, that is mad. From 20th to 12th, there's a 7-point difference. So if you win 2 games, you're up 6 points. Like, that's mad. How close that is. And we still have Arsenal up. I think Arsenal are going to win, man. Aston Villa are so good right now. Yeah. Well, Ollie Watkins is pretty much scoring every single game, which is pretty good. Okay, so take a look at the 50-minute time frame. Didn't close above. Closed bearish, rejecting the resistance. That is okay. Barca Madrid today. They've played so much recently. I've seen Barca Madrid play a good 3 times in the past like 2 months. I like the Leeds keeper. He's nasty. Yeah, I agree. I think he's always been quite good, and he looks like a 12-year-old. Like, he looks really young. He probably is quite young, but he just does look really, really young. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how this 30-minute closes. Hopefully a little stronger closure. That'll be great. Imagine Newcastle in the Champions League. Oh, that'd be sick. I'd definitely go get some tickets to go for that, I think. That'd be pretty sick. That'd be amazing. My team is in relegation places this year. It's been awful. Oof. What team's yours, Daniel? Would you cut a loss short if it's close to S? Wait, what? S-L? What? Oh, like, would I cut a loss short if it's close to my stop loss? It depends on where the stop loss is placed. The stop loss is there for a reason. If I manage risk, it'll be because it's breaking a previous low or previous high. Valencia, yes. What are the stats looking like at the moment? I'll say the top scorer. Harry Kane's still up there, man. He's only 6 goals behind. That's ridiculous. Harry Kane needs to move from that fucking waste of a club. Imagine being Harry Kane and not having any trophies, man. There's so many memes on them Tottenham grounds where there's just no trophies in their cabinet. Or I think they've got like 3. If Kane was at City, he'd probably have more goals than Haaland right now. Maybe. Maybe. Do you think Jesse Lingard will come back? I don't know. I don't know, man. Are they down there as well? Wait, Bournemouth. Where's the other team? Oh, they're Nottingham Forest, yeah. Yeah, they're still pretty close, eh? Okay, 10 minutes left for the study to close. 5 minutes to close above. Very nice. People on 5 minutes. Yuki was looking at this clean zone here. Yeah, looking like it pushed, but it's in the zone that it's in right now. That AJ with the Asian zone. Would rather break out of it. That's where I'd want it. Stop loss is quite tight as well. The only issue is if it rejects, you're just going to get slapped pretty hard. So that's the only issue. You won't be able to manage risk on these trades. That's the issue buying the highs. If it rejects, you know your L will be taken off very quickly. So hopefully like a closure above like that would be nice. That would be beautiful. Yeah, there's a little support there as well, to be fair. Okay, breaking 4-hour lows, which is good. Get down, brother. Get down, brother. Yeah, I wonder what that John Wick actually got in ratings wise in terms of the other ones as well, actually. Is it I haven't seen the 2 or 3 yet. So breaking up over here. Watch 1, 2, 3. What is that? Oh, John Wick 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've watched 1. I just haven't watched 2 or 3 yet. Stop loss to break even for me on gold. Very nice. Getting on the 5. So yeah, I'm just waiting patiently for this closure. 6 minutes or so. So you're gonna have a huge bottom wick. I think we'll get 1. I think we'll get 1. Maybe to retest there and reflip, break the high. That'd be great success. GJ coming down too, EJ as well. We will see. And TP to 2038, yeah. I do want to actually take some money off at the moment because we've already had a trade. I kind of want to start my month with a nice little win. So hopefully we can get a nice drive, take some out, and then rock the rest. Do, do, do. Well, that risky celery would have worked. Yeah, it's alright. With the 5-minute closure as well. Not bad. Yeah, if you get in like impulsively there with the lower time, you just go break even, hope it pushes. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. I think this is the first move that Raja didn't take the massive move. He finally missed one ever. Finally.
Only because it's Ramadan.
Yeah, that's the only reason. Yeah. That is literally the only reason. Impulse entries at these highs seems so risky. Indeed, indeed. What I would have really wanted is a closure there, a nice low wick, reflip, break the high, get a push, and just go break even, hope it pushes. Now we are rejecting. Closing in 2 minutes time. I'll have a buy stop on the break of the high probably. If it closes above. Dr. Dollar got in a bit early over here. Oh, is that going to be Dr. Dollar's 5th L? Hopefully not. Probably needs to take more liquidity before doing the actual push. Yeah, that's fine. I'm kind of happy it's coming back down, to be honest. Because then if it re-breaks that high, we've got momentum. And the stop loss isn't even that bad, you know. Stop loss isn't that bad at all. Yes, sir. Look how strong this daily candle is, boy. Actually explain. Has Roger said anything publicly about Uncle Ted, or is he leaving it alone? Yeah, he's leaving it alone, but it's kind of interesting how he hasn't kind of talked about it. But it's just, if you keep quiet, you don't have to get involved in it. 5 minutes said no, not right now. Yeah, well, it's retesting the levels to see how it reacts. If it closes, you know, bullish above here, breaks that high, we should push. Problem with Uncle Ted, his broker kind of had some issues, I think. Yeah. Where's take profit? 2038 is where the first one is. Yeah. She went all the way up to 2068 as well. So we closed above. No, the 15 didn't. That sucks. The 15 isn't looking good, yeah. So you can see how the 15 has not closed above. That really sucks. I need a stronger closure than that. Okay, especially at a break of an all-time high in recent times, I need a strong-ass closure. And that is not one. Just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys, for 2 minutes. Oh, we got a rejection. We got a rejection. Wait, what? If the candle made a bottom wick on the 15, is it still valid for a buy stop? No, I didn't close above, you know. Didn't close above my level. Yep. That's fine though. All we're gonna do is wait for later on and get a nice closure. No rush, no rush. For me, trading gold in London session is like walking on fire. I think gold's quite good in London. I don't think it's too bad overall. Don't think it's bad at all. Okay, so GJ's kind of just messing in this little zone that we've got printing over here. Could be this consider a 5-minute fake out? Yep. Could be. Still very, very bullish though, and this can still easily make its little wick. This could then close bullish, and then I could take my buy. Do you trade NY session? Yes, I do. Yes, trade it with the mentorship group every single day. So yeah, we'll see. 10 minutes left for this 15 to close. Looks like it's made a little wick there, which is nice. Did you catch that huge push? No, unfortunately. There was news there. Would I have taken the trade? I might have done what Don did, to be honest with you. Would just go and break even. Because the 15 did close above. Unfortunately, I was doing the sim at the time, and no one told me. So I'm literally buying 3 monitors, right? Well, I'm buying a 3rd monitor now, so I can have the sim on, I can have my spreadsheet on, and I can also look at the charts. Yeah. It's a good rejection, man. It's a good rejection, and it is a 30-minute closure above. So, could you potentially go for the break of the high? You could do. You know, you have had an hourly closure, but it's just I want a bit more of a stronger closure above there.
Yeah, I'm not getting a feeling that I want to trade it. So I might just leave it.
Yeah.
Maybe later if it pushes up, makes a retest. It retest back up.
Yeah. That's true, that's true. True that, true that. And this GJ is still not really doing anything yet. It's okay. GJ still can sell. GJ is not really at a selling zone yet. It's still in this little area, but maybe soon. It is right at 161 as well. That's why it's having a little struggle as well. 42 likes, guys. Make sure to run up the likes. I know it's been a little bit boring so far this month in terms of taking trades yet, but I'm just not finding any clean zones yet. There's a load of selling areas that I want to take on both GJ, EJ, and gold. We just gotta wait for them. In terms of buys, as I said, I just need this stronger closure, really. GJ, big potential for a decent push down today. Yeah, hopefully, because the zones below are good, man. Below 163042, below 162 at 122. Some really, really solid zones. That'd be great. Got stopped on gold. Oof. Why did you get in? It hasn't closed above yet. Hasn't closed above yet. Do you trade off the 30-minute closures? What's with those emojis, bro? Sometimes 15, sometimes 30. Mainly 30s. If the 15 closes very strong, then I may use the 15 as well. Looks like we might be waiting for 1 hour closure max. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Still really respecting our level. And EJ kind of got a lot of news this morning as well, so we just gotta wait. It is the what is it today? Yeah, the 5th. Not bad, not bad. Feeling much better today, to be honest with you. Yesterday and the day before, I felt ill as shit. I missed 2 trades because of it, which kind of sucks. But anyway, apart from that, in my head, I've taken 2 trades, well 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 break even. 2 winning trades. As I said, I just wasn't there on the charts, but they worked out pretty good. In the earlier days, this one here was very good. So yeah, I really recommend, guys, if you do want to go back testing and maybe have a little bit of a challenge, go to August 2021. Go to August 2021. Expecting range till NY. Maybe. Has range through the whole of Asian though, so has it? Came up a little bit, but yeah, it hasn't pushed too much from Asian. But yeah, I think most of the move will probably come in NY. Most of the time it does. It's going to be a sell on gold. Got a long way until we get down to there, but yeah, I mean, could potentially get a trend line if I could. Get a closure below like 2022. This is quite clean to 2020, and then furthermore to fill the zone. Potentially. Good morning, Rainmaker. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, that was well funny that the 40% of people said they got clapped on gold yesterday in who voted in the chat on Instagram. It ran like a madman yesterday and non-farm news later. Yeah, ADP, that's going to be interesting. What actually made it move yesterday? So obviously the news came out. It was what the fuck was it? Oh yeah, the job openings. Was that the weird reason why it moved? Yeah, I thought it might be Finland joining NATO. I think that would have also contributed, but this looks quite big actually. Let me take a look here. Yeah, it's the lowest since August 2021. The lowest amount of job openings. That's not a good sign, right? If you don't want to open your job, if you don't want to open places for jobs, they're struggling on money, right? They don't need extra employees, so it's not a good sign. That's what I'm thinking of it. Recession is getting real. Yeah. Well, a lot of my friends who finished uni the same time as me still haven't found their jobs yet in like software engineering and stuff, because obviously they've got no experience. They're coming to an area where loads of people have just been sacked, especially in tech. So they've obviously got the experience that they're getting the jobs that are there, but there's a very short amount of them. So it's interesting. It's funny how the whole tech world's kind of just collapsed, just for the fact that, you know, there's been they had too many staff. Like, did you see all these, like, Twitter? I mean, obviously Elon's fixing it now, but they just had staff like everywhere, and they were doing fuck all just to run a bloody website. Like, they were just sitting there vibing. Because obviously, when a company gets too large and you don't manage it properly, man, you can just waste your money. And when the money isn't coming in, that's when they're like, "Oh, we got a sack now." That's why we're moving from trading to computers. Yes, sir. But I has been very, very patient recently. The last trade I took was at the end of that month. I think it was on the 30th, then 29th, 27th. It hasn't been that long. Days. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, yesterday's trade, it pushed. I did get break even on the end, guys, though. I wanted to fill that zone a little bit harder. We didn't get it. We did not get it. Dr. Dollar lost his trade over here, I think. Oof. Why? Because he didn't wait for a closure. Gold breaks trend line. Potentially. Potentially, if we get there. Let me actually mark this on a little bit more accurately. There. Do you like Rolex? Yeah, they're non-profit as well, aren't they? So they make stuff on profit, which is interesting. Joel usually goes W trends, so I enter some buys, and then the rest was a murder mystery. Oh my god. That's true, yeah. Well, IT people just do the hard work, right? They don't really invent. They don't really like make a good business model. They just get told to do something.
Max, would you take this fake out on gold?
I mean, if it made a top wick, then yeah, you could have potentially. Actually, no, because it didn't close above. It didn't really.
On the 30, I mean.
The 30 potentially. Yeah, I think we may actually even get this trend line as well. Yeah, maybe on the 30. 12 minutes time. Yep, that'd be good. That'd be good. Nice top wick, nice flip, fill the zone. That would be great. Also broke Asian highs, yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe the fake out on Goldie over here. It's like a candle to close like that. And the next one to make a top wick. Flip. That would be nice. Double risk. I wouldn't probably go double risk on this one, just for the fact that we still very, very, very bullish. We'll see. I mean, depends on the top wick, you know. Why do you not like the trend line on the 1 hour max? The trend. Why do I not like the 1 hour trend line? Nah, I just don't trade it. I can still see it though. It matched up with the 5 really. But yeah, just be a little bit cautious there, guys. You know, if you want to take a buy, you know, you can take an impulse if you fancy it, maybe that 5-minute closure. But you know, you get the drive. If it doesn't continue, then yeah, you can take some pretty serious drawdown here. You can't manage well. That's the only issue with the gold. $48 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. On this beautiful Wednesday. Did you learn from Donvo? No. Me and Donvo learned from ourselves. We made our own. Rick said something quite cool yesterday. He said we didn't learn a strategy. We made a strategy. Or something like that. But yeah, it's true. You know, you go through your own stuff. You go through your own data and put it together. Got similar setups. Yeah, it's similar zones, similar things. You see, you use the 5 and I use the 30. That's all it is. The reason why I stay in the 30 is because my R to R stays decent in terms of like 1-to-1, 2-to-1. But the win rate was pretty similar. The Yeah, all that kind of stuff. So it's just I felt the IR was a little bit better. Like I did a couple months with doing Don's Way with the 5s, and I just made more money on the 30s, so, and the 15s. So Don said he hasn't backtested since 2020. Damn. Ah, interesting. Yeah, he puts his stop. I mean, his stops are large, but he puts them in places that respect. Like, how many times this year has Don had a trade and it's literally been like, what, 6 pips away from a stop, and then somehow he gets break even or wins? Oh my god. Went all the way down. His stops are put in good places. Yeah. So coming towards London Open over here. Going to be interesting to see how this closes on Goldie. See what we can get. Oh, have you guys been seeing the Joker clips, man? With like Lady Gaga, it looks good, man. Can't wait for that movie to come out. Very, very excited. Tell me, boy, have you taken any trades this morning? You found any yet? No, not yet. Yeah.
Yeah, was it possible to find something?
Yeah.
GJ, what do you think?
Yep. GJ just messing at the moment. Looking at one right now. Yeah.
Yeah, every pair is staying in the same point.
Yep, at the moment. 7 minutes left for this closure. Still respected at those. It'll be interesting to see. There's so many good sell-offs though for all the pairs. I just need to get down. And buys, to be fair. If you get a buy above 165 to 74, would be great. So yeah, looking like today I've maybe finally recovered a little bit, which is good. But I was fucking dying the last 2 days, man. I was bedbound literally straight after streams. I was like dying. And I just watched Wrexham all day. The Wrexham show. Right, with 2 minutes, I'm just going to say goodbye to Caitlin before she leaves. 1 second. I'm pissed today a bit, so I'm not 100% focused. I bought Mike and a good one. Oh yeah, the shirt MV7s are good. But the motherfucker's broken, not working on any my PC, no signs of life, me and luck in electronics. Ah, that fucking sucks. That does suck a little bit. No me gusta. So let's take a look at lower time frames. What we're doing, yeah, we're kind of hovering. Hovering. So yeah, potentially if this at 8 o'clock can make a nice top wick and we close strong here, then we can do the fake out. Going crypto up because probs of the US country stopping trading with the USA. I think there's a lot of stuff going on, you know. If it excels, wouldn't it be counter trend? Yeah, it would be counter trend, but in terms of a fake out, it's normally pretty sound. As long as you wait for a top wick here, so like as long as this candle closes like this, the next one makes the top wick, then it's rejecting that resistance, then we should fly. So yeah, if it gives me that good stuff. If not, I mean, if this closes above, damn. 8 o'clock buys could be on. How's GJ doing? Still coming back down. Got a nice low wick on this hourly now. Let's take a look. 2 minutes left for the closure.
My problem is I don't know where to target.
Yeah, that is the only issue. Yeah, you just gotta take your 1-to-1 really.
You getting ready for the signal, huh?
Yep. A minute left. Where would you want to take the trade possibly? Probably a break above 2025.4. That'll be the salary play. Break at the previous 15. So we'll see how this closes. Are you ready? $29 target. Do 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 do. So 8 o'clock come in. This is London Open. London Open. GJ doing sweet fuck all, just right, coming towards that support. Didn't close above again. It's like, Right at this zone, boy. How did the 30 close? 30 close bearish, but nowhere near enough for me to take a fake out yet. So, yeah. Yeah. The only thing that you could potentially do for an impulse is to break at that high. But man, I really wanted that closure. That sucks. Because like if this candle closed above like this, yeah, that would be beautiful. To continue. Coming down. Gonna be breaking previous 50-minute lows looking like. Bye, love you, have a good day. Yeah, I mean, look, the 30 did close bearish. Did it really fake out Asian high? No. So, it's not a fake out yet. Obviously, the 15 is coming down now. It's rejected that high again. But this is looking a little bit messy, I'm not going to lie. So, if I want to pick my first trade for the month, I don't really want it to be a trade that's really struggling, in terms of... And this is what I always say as well. If you're moving between buys and sells in like literally like a space of like 1 10 pip like change of move, then it's quite hard to find your actual direction. So it's okay, we can maybe get trend line if you start pushing. It's not your first trade, Max. Send it. Hey Max, 200 issue to trade it, my dad. Will you take if the 5-minute closes above? I want closures. I want the closures. Where else is this? There we go. So it's made a nice low wick. On Goldie. But yeah, it's just messing right at this resistance, right? Patient Jug Padawans, yes. We'll be back to 1984. Wow, 1984? Damn. Where could you take an impulse? I mean, you could do the 30 celery. That is an opportunity that you could take. Because it's very close to breaking the zone. That's not bad, That's not bad. Um, 30 minutes not looking too bad, yeah. Especially with the celery play. If you break above that level again, we have a clean candle to fill. Which isn't too bad. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to go for the celery, guys. So I've got a buy stop on the break of this high. Oh, break of the previous high right here. Stop loss is current candle low. No. Great rejection as well from these levels, the Asian highs, which is good. Tell you when I'm in. I'm tagged in. Me too.
Oh.
Where will I go break even? Probably at that high. Down. Is it considered the 30-minute candle broke the previous candle low? No, it's just making the little wick of the new hourly with the volume London session, you know. Not really too asked about that. Now push.
I have that jet back.
What's Dr. Dollar doing over here? Oh, Dr. Dollar got it as well. For a second time. Is it concerned? Did you invent the celery thing? No, Donny Boy did. I mean, not invent the candle pattern, but just the name for it, yeah.
Five pips late.
5 pips late?
Yeah.
Oh God, boy. Okay, so we're coming up over here, guys. You know, in terms of obviously where I want the trade to go, I want it to push hard. Do I want to take the drawdown? No, I do not. So what I'm going to do over here is, in a couple seconds or so, I am going to go break even. I'm just going to give it a little bit more opportunity to try and get to that high, and then I'll go break even. Dum. Okay, push, break the highs, motherfucker. Stop loss to break even. Yeah, you can do so now. Stop loss to break even, guys. Risk-free trade. If this pushes, I'm gonna make a lot of money. If not, I'm gonna take break even. And that's how you trade. Push. Break the high, you prick. The reason why I've gone break even at these highs is because it's rejected there before, so it can do so this again if it wanted to. And the issue is getting at a high is that the rejection that you can get is pretty aggressive. So, yeah, runs great. If not, I'll take my break even. Roger takes his trades and doesn't call it a celery. Yeah, I know. It's just a nice word, right? Celery, like it just rolls off the tongue. It's very easy to say what you're doing, so I like it. You know. Do. It's vegan friendly, yeah, exactly. GJ doing nothing. Dome. I hit break even. God, you guys' spreads are ass. If you guys got break even there, you guys really need to sort out your stuff because I'm nowhere near break even. If you guys have got bad spreads, I've told you, move on to IC markets, man. Do. Late entry, fair. markets.
Yeah, I put my stop loss where your break even is, but I'm in a bit late, so.
Fair. Bad break is fed, bad kicks are the same. I'm extremely curious now, could you please explain in short terms how the celery plays? It's just a very impulsive move. You normally get to break even very quickly. You break in previous high that closed bearish, just making a lower wick to then continue bullish. So it's just a range of things, you know. Is Blueberry Markets good? Yeah, Blueberry Markets looks good. Looks good. I would use Blueberry if you can't use IC. Yeah. Break the high. Break it. Break the fucking high, bro.
With this 15-minute closure, we're gonna push.
Yeah, man, just get above that fucking high, bro. As long as you start running, you're gonna get a lot of pips with it, which is great. It's just fucking beforehand. Yeah, if you guys got stopped out of break even there, you gotta really look at your spreads because it came nowhere near. The lowest it came was 22573. My entry was 42. So it's fucking nowhere near. And there you go. That's how you do risk-free trade. If it runs, great. If not, you get that break even. That's normally how I approach a break of the high trade, right? Down.
Volume is very slow though.
Yeah. Yep. Once it breaks the high, it'll launch, yeah. If it fucking breaks the high. Break the high! Come on! Go, Goldie! Once it breaks, yeah. Really sounds good, yeah. We survived 15-minute bottom wick, yeah. GJ is going sidewall, yeah. GJ is just doing his thing, eh? GJ just doing its thing as usual. Messing about. Is it still valid to buy? I don't know. I think for me, I'd want to be break even at these highs. So if you got break even, then I'll just take it on the chin. Yugi, what broker are you using? I'm on GJ buys. You'll get in on the break of the 30-minute high, maybe. Maybe.
I really wanted this 5 minute to close above.
Yeah, me too. Yes! Go!
Yes!
Go!
Oh my god. It's like it listened to me.
Yeah, it was like, fuck. Kiko needs to get this buy over here.
Yeah, I guess I do need to go up. It was in the last second as well. What the fuck?
Literally the last second. So, you know, it's down to you, right? When we stop pushing here, you can just close some and just leave the rest running. Kind of want my 1-to-1 though. Just keep on pumping, boy. Max, I'm on GJ buys. Looking like a lot of people on GJ buys over here. Very nice. Left side clean range, yeah, it's just this fucking candle, bro. It's not pumping the way I want it to. Down, down, down. Do.
Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm still in at the moment, but very close to coming out.
I'll pray for you.
Wick back up, you prick. No, I'm out. I'm out. Beautiful stuff.
It was a good trade.
Yeah, in terms of the 15, though, it has to go make the retest, so it's fine. It's just I don't want to take the drawdown, man. The push is great, but once you get drawdown on this, you can get slapped pretty hard. So yeah, let's go here. Beautiful. So retest and go. Yeah, we'll see. So yeah, 30-minute looks bad though. Yeah, it's just struggling in it. 50-minute closed above. It's just how the 15 wants to rock. Good stuff. I mean, in terms of GJ here, what else? Yeah, we pushed up nicely. Was there any way to get in? Really? Got in a little later. Break-even was at 225.6 and ended up being slipped by 2 pips. Oh my god. How did you get in so late? You slipped. Okay, let's take a look then. I mean, yeah, it's still got opportunity. It's still closed above, you know. It's just, for me, especially, it went the halfway point anyway. It went up 14 pips. So, I'd be break even all the time there. Stop loss was like 24. So, possibly gonna close within the range. But we may have a fake out, you know.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Because if this flips, I'm gonna get FOMO. It is weird that it jumped in the last second though.
That was well fun, wasn't it? Let's go to that now. Wait, you're in already? Bro, have you got your mic? Have you got this fucking stream on mute or something? The fuck do you not think I'm in? So come back down over here. Yeah, we could have a fake out, which would be beautiful. Would be beautiful.
Max, what do you think of buys above on GJ above 164.612?
I mean, they're all right. What happened here at 11 o'clock range? Not really. It's okay. I mean, let's look at the... Let's draw it on. Break above Asian highs. I mean, yeah, it could be all right if you get a closure above. We push up to 846 pretty quickly every time. So yeah, it could be an option for sure.
But it depends on your stops. If your stops are too big, it's not worth it. You might as well wait for 165.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Have you noticed how many times we move a lot on GJ and then we retrace the whole move?
Yeah. All the
It's
time.
insane, man. All the time. Like I took the sell on the high, and next time I'm just gonna hold it the whole way.
Yeah.
Because
Hold that bitch. So beautiful stuff, man. Managed risk there in terms of a break-even trade. Very happy with that. Great job, great job. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe a fake out. Yeah, GJ when it break out, no break. Yep. Especially recently, eh? It's been flying. Max, you missed the GJ trade. No, I didn't. What trade in my playbook would have been this trade here? You tell me. It's in a range. I need a closure above or below the range first. It's not a missed trade. It's just a GJ push. Wow. It's not in my strategy. So 4 hours we flipped on GJ, the daily may as well. Looking like a very strong candle. Do you always put your stop loss to break even at 10% profit? No, it's normally 50% of the stop. 50% of the stop. If it's buying a high like here, then no, it's much less, right? I just go break even pretty quickly because can you see here, like you just be wrecked right now. So in terms of management, that's what I do, yeah. Did Dollar take another gold buy?
Close is fucking beautiful, bro.
Yeah, they might take that.
who is this Dr. Dollar that you keep talking about?
This is another streamer. Miami streamer. Today's trade is the best example that impulse entries have low probability. Yes, like before, yeah. Oh, the 5-minute trend line. Worked out. Very nice. That guy is with the sunglasses at 2 a.m. These break-even trades are giving me big L's because of spread. But put your trade in 1 pip profit. You put your stop loss 1 pip in profit and that covers commissions. Well, it does for me. So you don't lose anything. What's EJ doing? Nothing much. Re-entry on the break? Nah. I don't know, for me. The 30 minutes closing in 5 minutes anyway. Probably wait for the 5 minute. So we'll see. Looking like it's still playing above that area, which is better than it is coming back in for buys anyway. Okay, this is the 15-minute flip. Could you take the buys again? You could do. I mean, let's take a look at the fives. The fives coming up. 30-minute is closing in 4 minutes time. Stop loss now would be 35 pips. I'm going to wait for this 30 to close, I think. Great rejection there, though, which is good.
Look at the rejection on the 15. Fucking hell.
15-minute celery play? Yeah, you can do the celery. Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's what I was thinking about.
Good idea, good idea. And how big is it from the previous high? Yeah, it's only 1 pip difference from the high, so I'd rather just break that high. Nice Tommy boy. It'd be 27 pips on there. It's not bad. I think I'm gonna have to get in here, guys, in the break. I think I'm gonna miss it if not. So, got a buy stop here in the break of the high. Because it is a 15-minute closure above, the stop loss is gonna be current candle. You could use previous if you wanted to. But yeah. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Oh shit, 1 second. That buy stop is wrong. Beautiful. So, been activated over here. Stop loss below current candle. Great rejection there. $20.30 would be a good little target. Let's hope the 30 make doesn't make much of a bottom wick. Well, the 15 already did that, so I don't really expect it to, you know. Set forget and break even. Give it a little bit more time here. Look at that Goldie. Look at that GJ, sorry. Damn. Shit is rejecting.
But he looks very strong.
Yep. GJ is gonna melt. Yeah. Look at that rejection. Taps that resistance and goes, nope. I do not want to participate. Push. Down, 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 down. Everyone tell Goldie, push. You fucking push. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time over here, and then I'm gonna go break even. What's your entry point? 202687. Do 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 do. The 15-minute looks terrible? What? What are you looking at? You just had a beautiful rejection from the zone that we want to leave. A beautiful, strong second closure. A 30-minute closure. Will not be break even. Max didn't. 50-minute no bottom wick. Yeah. Alright, my mic's back. Great success. Waiting for the 30 to make a bottom wick, then I'm entering. Very nice.
Everything you wish for. Your site traffic is skyrocketing until
We don't need no bottom wick. Do we, Goldie?
Yeah, I'm break even.
Yeah.
How much, baby?
Still wants to break even over here, guys. Drive, you cunt. Dum 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 dum. So what could you do? I mean, you know, I've taken fucking 3 entries on gold and I've got break even every single one. I do kind of want to take some money out the markets to start my month off. So yeah, I mean, depending on what you want to do, it's all down to you, right? There is no bottom wick on the 30. Not again, G Goldie. Waiting for the bottom wick on the 30.
And done again. I keep getting in late as well, man. For fuck's sake.
I'm still in. Down, 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 down. Let's take a look. Okay, and I'm out again. Right, that's me done for these buys on Goldie now. They should have ran. I was so close to closing fucking 80%, literally when I was saying it, and then it retraced like fucking 8 pips. Yeah. It is what it is. Don got 3 break-evens too. Yeah, man, it's break-even. It's break-even day. So in terms of that, though, I mean, you know, 0 drawdown taken on any of them. Just good pushes, and that's what you really want with the gold trades, especially at a break of highs. Really, really solid work. Just, yeah, could not continue. Great job, great job. Really want it, obviously, to the left-hand side, especially because you can't see anything either. It's just like, you know, set break-even, see if it pushes. If not, don't take the drawdown, because the drawdown can be nasty. So it's 8:36. Gonna wait a little bit longer over here. But yeah, I'm gonna cool down now. Taking 2 trades, you know, it takes a lot of effort and time to go through 2 fucking break-even trades. So, go to March 22. Did you see the left side? We had a field day yesterday with Donvo. He had nasty drawdown. Your breaking still better than 2 hours? Exactly, yeah. Will you leave EJ alone? Yeah, there's a lot of news coming, and I don't really like the zones on EJ. So the only thing that I'm going to look at for here is maybe a closure above on GJ and a fake out on gold, because these golds are just not playing. So yeah, just telling people in the chat, you know, this is how you kind of take buys of highs, right? You take the push, you take the, you know, you take the profits if you fancy it, but you don't take the drawdown, because look here now, you'd be down 4 or 5 pips drawdown. If this rejects, you are fucked. So it's kind of just, it's how you do that. Possible 30-minute fake out, yeah. Yep. So yeah, we got to like 0.5% gain on both of them, so we could have made 1.4 if we closed there, but I really wanted more out of the move, right? We just ran up so much, could easily have got to 220.30 in my opinion. So yeah. Yes, the GA buys on support, the ones that worked out, very nice. No lot of I've lost my account. Max buys above 30-minute candle body. Wait, what? Wait, on gold? Nah, I'm not taking any more buys. I've given it 2 opportunities. I'm not taking any more buys in gold. Yeah, this is withholding. The potential was there. Yeah, exactly. Oh, we got Finny Boy in the chat. Finn, did you watch the Grand Prix? It was a fucking great race. That track's great. It's proper good. So see, now you'd be in drawdown. Oh no, Dr. Dollar's in this trade and didn't go break even. Again, is that going to be his 3rd loss? Look at Goldie, what the fuck? Yeah, but it's at highs, you know, you can't see to the left, you know, where it's going to reject. And that's why I say you get the drive, but man, do not do anything else, right? Max, I'm coming to see you in June. Oh, come for my birthday, brother. I'll show you a good night out. Don't need to call 9/11. When's your birthday? 19th. 19th. My stream doesn't work. Lol, I'm watching the stream but it doesn't load. Oh, we trading views down? Maybe the Wi-Fi. Maybe the Wi-Fi, yeah. It's giving me error every time. It's either because you don't have algo trading on, you don't have the DII imports on, or your leverage is too low, or your lot size is too high. They're the rule. They're normally wet you up, fam. They're normally the ones. 3 minutes left on this 15-minute closure. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. I can trade with market pending. I have no idea, brother. So you can't just manually execute. You can't just press open trade. I wonder why. I wonder why. So a great clip that I can put on Instagram today, man. So you cannot buy such stuff and trade with more. No, you can. So you can trade with buy such sell stuff, but nothing else. Fake out sells if it closes below 24. Yep. 30-minute closes below, yeah. GJ rejecting again. Let's go see Dr. Dollar over here. 400 people watching. Jeez.
Bullish candles and bearish candles.
But they're different wicks, bro.
So you got into that one.
That's the other day, bro, when we set up the app, right?
You got into this one as well.
Or they're just fucking.
And you got into that one as well. My god, 3 tries on Coldy. Damn. Oh, that guy sees the chart with sunglasses. A Polaroid or something. I quite like his sunglasses, looks cool. Look at Matrix. What are your most viewers you've had on YouTube, mate? Records set this year, I reckon. Probably like 400, I'd say. 400, yeah. I entered gold sells. I think you're just a bit too early, brother, right? You know, why did you enter sells and gold? The reason why you entered is because the candle went bearish. That's the only reason. Because you haven't had any closure yet. It's still above this zone. You know, I'll be looking for sells once we start closing below here. And I'm going to wipe this zone. Yeah. I took GJ cells using 5-minute rejection candle up top. Ah, very nice. Hey Max, how do you use fixed slot on Magic Keys? Just go into the fixed slot and put it in. Put it in, brother. So the first trade that we took was this one, the celery play, break the high with London volume. Stop loss was like 25 pips. We got to right around, yeah, we got to this first high here. Which was, 14 pips. And then obviously the same trade again here. I think we got up 14 pips as well. Yeah. 2 14 pippers. Wasn't GJ buys got smoked? Yeah. The only thing that I could say with the GJ buys is that it's holding a level of Asian lows again. The break of the high, with the volume could be alright, but for me it's meh. May I know why you're not considering buys at the daily flip on GJ? Looks a bit solid to me. I am. I just need a closure. I'm not taking a buy there. Why would I take a buy at the daily flip when what? We rejected before here? We literally just did it, right? So if you took that buy there, why did you take that buy? Resistance, 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 support, support, resistance, 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 right? Resistance is where price rejects. So if you're taking a buy there, coming up to resistance, there's a very high chance you're going to reject. Because why? It's in a range. This is the range. So all you've got to do is be a little bit more patient and wait for a candle to close above, and then you can take a trade to there, and then maybe full up to there. It's just getting in greedy, right? And you'll only know this when you go to simulations and you go and backtest. You'll get slaughtered. Let me just push a little story over here. So we had gold buys broken down this morning. We took 2 entries, 2 buying entries, 0 drawdown on both of them. Unfortunately, we could not continue though on both of them. We went to like a 0.5 R to R on both, but I really wanted more out of this zone. Basically to 2030, I think was a great psychological level. But anyway, amazing stuff. No losses taken. Beautiful pushes. Got 0 drawdown, just not the full position. How can I make backtest? You buy a backtesting software. Use Soft FOREX or any of the ones that are good. I haven't checked any others yet. So it's 8:48. Yeah, I'm gonna wait 11 minutes for this goldie to close and see. So I'm gonna play a little game of chess and wind down. But yeah, I mean, I've taken 3 break-evens so far this month. Just waiting patiently for some pepperonis. But yeah, as we say, how much is it? It's like 80 quid, but you can get a cracked version for free. Yeah. What cracked version? I put it in the Discord. I've also probably got it in here as well. It's just like it, it just works. Wait 1 second. Can I upload a file here? Yeah, this one. You have to look online how to download it. But yeah, that's the file. Ah, shit. I made a boo-boo. Okay, let me sort this out over here. So 10 minutes left for the closures. Look at GJ starting to push hard over here. Goldie coming back up. Look at these candles, man. I wish I just took that fucking trade there. Much easier. Much easier. Let's just get these out now. So, bro, maybe I can somehow send it to you through Discord if you want. Yeah, try FOREX, this one here. Oh, do you want me to post the link there? Wait 1 second. I don't know if I can. Go on Discord. Go on the Discord, and then you'll see it in the lobby. 1 second. Go Discord, press the server rule so you can actually see the stuff, and then it's in the lobby somewhere. Yeah, there. Just download it. Like a GJ 1 hour candle. Yeah, it's pretty bearish, eh? Looking good. 4 hours, you're gonna break previous lows. It's just gotta get past the support. Will GJ break or stay in the range? That is the question of the day. Is Goldie still trying to get up again? Yeah. He's trying his best. So yeah, 7 minutes left. We'll wait for this closure. See if we can get a closure back in the zone. That would be tremendous. That would be tremendous. So now I'd want sells below here. Can I bring these fucking chart things out? Let's go. I don't think it's gonna break until NY, of course. Yeah. Maybe now. Oh, I think I could have checked him there. Fuck. I think I could have checkmated him. Yeah, I could have. Oh man, I missed that. Oh shit. Do you only trade London or do you trade NY in a private Yeah, I trade NY with a private group. Oh, man. Yeah, through Telegram. We do it on Zoomy. I'm gonna do this. What? Wait, did he just kill my horse? Oh, fuck. Oh, that's ruined my plans. For fuck's sake. Your JPY breaking. Oh, shit. Yes, push. When's the next news? News is coming out very shortly, but we'll still wait. Yeah, I need to get these out, don't I? Again. Yeah, I'll look at EJ 30 minutes after news, yeah. Oh, I don't know why I did that again. I'm making some mistakes here today. It's 8:30. Yeah, 9:30. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, why did I do that again? Oh my god, I'm not focusing, man. What the fuck? Oh well. Should I just take his? I know. GJ's setting up for sells, clean moves possibly. Yeah. There? Oh no. EJ looks a little cleaner. Yeah, I agree. Shit. Oh no. Ah. Okay. Not considering another buy on golden. Nah, fuck that. You're gonna have some mad stops on over here. Looking like it's not gonna close below though. Oh, it's so close to being a fake out, but not close enough. It's not there yet. Yeah. Should I sacrifice this one? Nice. Gold, yeah, so Goldie closed up still above, so yeah, you gotta wait maybe a little bit longer over here. But good rejection again. Can I just go and kill him or not? Look at that rejection. So there we go. Very, very happy my management of the buys. They worked out a little bit, but they didn't push as much as I wanted. Managed beautifully. If you guys took L's there, then you know that's what I really worked on. You know, I really wanted to work on how to get the buys and be safe with it, because it can reject quite a lot. Shit. Okay, the volume is kicking on GJ as well, which is great. I can't move it. I don't know, I haven't checked. No. There. We are coming for you. We are coming for you. Oh no, I just go there, don't I? Oh shit, I've got 50 seconds left. No! Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck's sake. I can't see the time I'm on. Oh my god. Yes! Came on! That was good, that. That was good shit. That was a good game. That was a hella good game. Wow, beautiful finish off to this morning. Wow. This morning's been good, man. In terms of intensity and taking trades, been good. You know, we took 2 trades, loads of profit, just not as much as I'd want. All right, we got 14 pips in both. Stop losses like 25. I wanted a bit more out of the move. Well done if you guys did secure, but well done if you guys managed. That's the main part, right? If you manage properly, well done. In terms of now, yeah, I'm going to probably wait for EJ at 9:30. Maybe GJ at 9:30 as well, but EJ is the one that I think looks the best. Lol putting them again. Yeah, it's just respecting this resistance. This is why I didn't take the closure back in the zone, because it hasn't closed yet. But yeah, amazing stuff today. That's kind of how I would take, you know, the buys. I always get into profit. If it wants to run, then I'll take all the move. But if not, I don't take the drawdown, right? So yeah, I'm going to leave it off over here, guys. Nothing much more apart from maybe at 9:30, I'll message my group about it in 30 minutes time. What about this support forming? I'm not taking gold buys again. I'm not taking them. They should have already ran through London Open. We're going to reject at some point, I think anyway. If it doesn't pump in 8 o'clock till 9, where it's the most volume in a London session, it won't do it any time near at the moment. It'll need to wait for NY. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. I'm going to wait for maybe a fake out here, a 5-minute trend line, and a EJ sell. So thank you so much. It's a bit boring so far. I've just taken 3 break-even trades this month. But it's only the start. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one. See you later.
See you later, my man.
See you later, guys. See you later, guys. Adios, adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Adios, amigos. Make sure you have a great day. Make sure to go to the gym. I'm definitely going to the gym today, which is good. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.